Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a professional programmer? Let's delve into this fascinating world. Programming, at its core, is the process of creating a set of instructions that tell a computer how to perform a task. It's like learning a new language, but instead of communicating with people, you're communicating with machines. In today's digital age, programming is more important than ever. It's the driving force behind everything from the apps on your phone to the websites you visit, and even the systems that keep our world running smoothly. The demand for professional programmers spans across various industries, be it finance, healthcare, entertainment, or tech itself. They are the architects of the digital world we live in, creating and maintaining the virtual infrastructure of our everyday lives. Becoming a professional programmer is a journey, but fear not. We're here to guide you through it. The first step on your journey is choosing the right programming language. Now, this can seem like a daunting task, given the plethora of languages out there, but worry not. The secret is to focus on what interests you and what the industry demands. Think of programming languages as tools in a toolbox. Each has its strengths, weaknesses, and ideal applications. For instance, if you're fascinated by data analysis or machine learning, Python might be your go-to. It's simple and clean, making it perfect for beginners. Plus, it's in high demand in the tech industry. On the other hand, if you're interested in web development, JavaScript is a fantastic option. It's the backbone of modern web applications and is used extensively in both front-end and back-end development. Plus, with the rise of frameworks like React and Node.js, JavaScript has become even more versatile. Java, on the other hand, is a robust, object-oriented language that's used in a variety of applications, from Android app development to enterprise-level software. It's a bit more complex, but if you're up for the challenge, it can open up a world of opportunities. But here's the thing, these are just a few examples. There are many more languages out there, each with its own unique features and applications. C++ for system programming, Swift for iOS app development, Ruby for quick and efficient web applications, the list goes on. Now, you might be wondering, but which one is the best? And the answer is, there isn't one. The best language is the one that aligns with your interests and career goals. It's the one that excites you, that challenges you, that makes you want to dive in and learn more. So take your time, do your research, experiment a bit, and once you've found your match, commit to it. Dive deep, master it, because the more proficient you are in a language, the more valuable you become as a programmer. Remember, there's no best language. The best one is the one that suits your goals. Once you've chosen your language, it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty, learning the basics. Now you may be thinking, why basics? Can't I just jump into the deep end? Well, imagine trying to write a novel without knowing the alphabet. Seems pretty difficult, doesn't it? The same concept applies to programming. You need a solid foundation in the fundamentals before you can start creating complex codes. The basics of programming include understanding syntax, variables, loops, conditionals, and functions. Syntax is the set of rules that define how programs in a language are structured. Variables are elements that store values. Loops allow us to perform a task multiple times. Conditionals help us make decisions in our code, and functions are reusable pieces of code. Sounds like a handful, right? But don't worry, every programmer, even the best ones, started from here. To learn these basics, there are several resources at your disposal. Online courses are a great place to start. Websites like Codecademy, Udemy, and Coursera offer comprehensive courses in various languages. They provide interactive lessons that allow you to write code directly in your browser. Books are another excellent resource. Eloquent JavaScript, Python Crash Course, and Learn Java the Hard Way are just a few of the many fantastic books out there that break down the basics in an easy-to-understand manner. And then there are coding boot camps. These are intensive, short-term training programs that teach you the fundamentals of programming through hands-on projects. They're a great option if you prefer a more structured learning approach. But remember, no matter which resource you choose, the key is practice. Write code every day, make mistakes, lots of them, and learn from them. That's how you'll truly understand and master the basics. Finally, be patient. Learning to program is like learning a new language. It takes time and practice. You won't become fluent overnight, but with consistent effort, you will get there. Mastering the basics takes time and practice, so be patient with yourself. After learning the basics, the key to becoming proficient is practice. This may sound like a worn-out phrase, but it's a timeless truth, especially in the programming world. It's your hands-on experience that will transform you from a novice to a skilled professional. Coding is not just about memorizing syntax or understanding algorithms. It's about solving problems, creating solutions, and making things work. And the best way to do that? Practice, practice, and more practice. Imagine yourself as a musician. You wouldn't expect to master a piece of music by merely reading the notes, would you? You'd need to play it over and over until your fingers know their way around the keys or strings, until you can feel the rhythm in your bones. Coding is no different. The keyboard is your instrument, and the code you write is your symphony. Now you might be wondering, how do I practice coding? Well, there are many ways. One of them is through coding challenges. Websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, or CodeSignal offer a wide range of problems to solve, from easy to hard, covering various aspects of coding. They provide an excellent platform to train your problem-solving skills and learn new concepts along the way. Another way to practice is by working on personal projects. Is there an app you've always wanted to create? A website you've been dreaming of? Go for it! Personal projects allow you to apply what you've learned, explore new areas, and create something you're passionate about. And let's not forget about contributing to open source projects. This is an excellent way to immerse yourself in real professional coding environments. You'll get to collaborate with other developers, understand how large-scale projects work, and contribute to something that people around the world can use. In the end, it all boils down to this: the more you code, the better you'll become. So roll up your sleeves, fire up your favorite code editor, and start practicing. And remember, it's not about how fast you can get there, it's about the journey and the skills you acquire along the way. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you code, the better you'll become. Now that you've got some experience under your belt, it's time to showcase your skills. In the programming landscape, your portfolio is your calling card. It's not just a collection of your work, but a testament to your skills, your creativity, and your problem-solving prowess. It's what separates you from the crowd and gets you noticed. Building a robust portfolio is a journey in itself. Start with personal projects. They're a great way to demonstrate your skills, and they also show your passion and dedication. Got an idea for a mobile app or a website? Bring it to life. Even if it's not perfect, it's a tangible proof of your ability to create and innovate. But don't stop there. The open source community is a goldmine of opportunities. Contributing to open source projects is a fantastic way to gain real-world experience. It's like a gym for programmers. You get to flex your coding muscles, solve complex problems, and collaborate with other programmers. Plus, you'll be contributing to something larger than yourself. Remember, your portfolio should not be static. It should evolve as you grow and learn. Update it regularly with new projects, and don't be afraid to showcase your progress. A project that was challenging for you a year ago might be a piece of cake now, and that shows growth. A strong portfolio can open doors for you in the programming world. And remember, every door you open leads to new opportunities. The world of programming is ever evolving, and to stay relevant, you need to keep learning. Just as the seasons change, so too does the landscape of programming. New languages, frameworks, and methodologies are constantly emerging, and it's essential to stay abreast of these changes. Continuous learning is not an option, it's a requirement. Reading industry blogs, keeping up with the latest research, and taking online courses are all great ways to stay in the loop. But continuous learning is only part of the equation. There's also a need to expand your network. Why, you ask? Well, networking provides a platform to share ideas, learn from others, and even find new opportunities. Engaging in online communities, contributing to open source projects, and attending industry events can help you connect with like-minded individuals. Remember, every person you meet could potentially teach you something new or offer a different perspective. Social media plays a crucial role in networking today. Platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and GitHub allow you to follow industry leaders, participate in discussions, and showcase your work. Being active on these platforms can help you stay updated, gain recognition, and create meaningful connections. So, to sum it up, continuous learning and networking are two sides of the same coin. They are crucial in the ever-evolving world of programming. They not only help you stay relevant, but also open doors to new possibilities. Remember, the journey to becoming a professional programmer is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, keep coding, and keep